Today we will talk about British Columbia that invited 136 tech workers in new PNP draw. So far this year, British Columbia has issued nearly 1500 invitations to apply for provincial nomination. Hi, this is Khalil. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it. Hit the bell icon button to get new videos notification on time. Stay with me till the end of this video, guys. It's going to be very informative for those who are related to tech profession. British Columbia invited 136 tech workers to apply for a provincial nomination on March 1st. The invitations were issued through the British Columbia PNP Tech, which is a stream under the British Columbia Provincial Nominee Program. The British Columbia PNP is an economic immigration pathway used by the province of British Columbia to attract experienced high demand foreign workers. The program gives people who choose to live and work in British Columbia a path to permanent residence. Candidates invited through British Columbia's tech draw must meet the requirements of one of British Columbia's Express Entry British Columbia and its skills immigration categories, which are managed through the Skills and Immigration Registration System. Candidates who received invitations in this draw were from the skilled worker and international graduates subcategories and needed a minimum provincial score of 85. Invited candidates now have 30 calendar days to apply for the nomination. Let me say something about British Columbia PNP Tech program for those who are new on my channel and they don't know what is the procedure to apply for the tech program of British Columbia PNP. The British Columbia PNP Tech was launched in May 2017 as a pilot project following a labor market study which found that access to talent was the biggest issue facing British Columbia's technology sector. Given the success of the project, British Columbia made it a permanent residence program. It is designed to enable employers in British Columbia's technology sector to continue to attract and select international talent when qualified workers are not available locally. More specifically, the British Columbia PNP Tech is a fast-track immigration pathway for an in-demand tech workers and international students. Candidates need to be registered in one of the British Columbia's existing provincial immigration streams and have a valid job offer of at least 12 months in one of 29 eligible occupations to qualify for this stream. Guys, I have made video on 29 eligible occupations, so please go to my channel and you can find that video easily. Unlike other British Columbia PNP stream, job offer under the British Columbia PNP Tech must be for a minimum of 1 year with at least 120 days remaining at the time of application to the British Columbia PNP. It must also be full-time and from an eligible employer in the province. Invitations through the province's tech program are sent out weekly to the top scoring candidates who meet the eligibility requirements. Candidates who are invited to apply for a provincial nomination will need to submit a complete application. Once this is done, most tech applications will be processed within 2 to 3 months. If they are approved, candidates will receive a nomination confirmation that can be used to apply for permanent residence from IRCC under the Provincial Nominee Program class. PNP candidates automatically earn 600 points for their score in the comprehensive ranking system and thus have a very good chance of receiving an invitation to apply for permanent residence through the Express Entry system. If you found this short video informative and helpful, then give a big thumb to this video. Comments below if you have any. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video, guys. Have a wonderful day. Take care.